If you only have a casually taken product photo, can AI turn it into a complete brand launch? In this tutorial, we'll use Ima Claw to build a full product promotion workflow from scratch, including automatically publishing the results to X. Open Ima Claw and sign into your account. Then install the required skill, AceXRL, which is essential for publishing posts to X. Before generating content, it's helpful to let the Ima Claw think about the visual style first. The Ima Claw will summarize principles for generating higher quality visuals. Next, upload a product image, then give Ima Claw the following task. In this example, Ima Claw named the product Oat Milk Cloud. After generation is complete, you can browse different visual versions and select the most suitable ones. Once confirmed, simply ask Ima Claw to publish the content. The entire process requires no manual operation. With Ima Claw, product ideas and distribution can move from concept to launch within minutes.